Hey, what is going on YouTube family? It's your boy Gabe and welcome back to my channel. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and streetwear. What I have for you guys today is the 10th episode of the Streetwear Hunt series. This is a series where I hunt for local streetwear brands and feature them here on my channel. Grabe guys, hindi ko aakalain na aabot ako ng 10th episode when I started this Streetwear Hunt series na to. Just like the brand that I'm going to feature for today. Hindi din nila aakalain na aabot sila ng 9 years in the industry. So, the brand that I'm talking about is the Drone Clothing Co. So shout out to Miko Arenas, shout out to the Drone Clothing team. Congratulations for hitting that 9-year milestone and maraming salamat sa inyo guys for providing the Filipino streetwear enthusiast with quality products. Now let's move on to the actual items that I got from Drone. So here you go guys, these are the items that I got from Drone. So item number 1 and 2. So item number 1 muna tayo. I got this from them a few weeks ago. Binili ko to sa kanila. I really like the design nung nakita ko siya sa Facebook page nila. So, open natin to una. Pero pakita ko rin sa inyo yung item number 2. Explain ko rin siya about ano tong item number 2 na to. So, this is their 9th year anniversary special pack. So, maraming salamat Sir Miko Arenas for sending this over. I really appreciate it. So, just like what I said earlier, they just celebrated their 9th year anniversary. And this is the package that they released for that celebration. So, later on, we will dive in deeper dito sa package number 2. This is going to be the finale of this video. So, balik muna tayo sa package number 1. So, we are going to open package number 1, but before we do that, I just wanted to highlight their packaging. Napakaganda ng packaging nila guys. So, as you can see here, it's very well thought of. And look at the back guys. Linis. Ganda. Nakalagay din dito, recycle, reuse, reduce. So, this is a Ziploc container. So, we can definitely reuse this versus yung mga plastic wrappers lang. Let's open it up now and let's see what's inside. Let's go. So, as you can see here, transparent naman yung bag. Nakita na natin na may mga pinadala silang stickers. So, yun muna yung tignan natin. So, they sent over 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. They are all Drone. Nakalagay Drone Clothing Co. Pero black, red, white, and yellow. So, thank you very much, Sir Miko. Thank you for sending these over. These are actually thick, cardboard-like stickers. So, I can really see na quality talaga yung stickers na binigay nyo. And yung print ng sticker nyo, hindi siya yung parang pixelated. Maganda yung pagkaka-print. Ayan. May mga stickers kasi na pixelated yung graphics. Pero this one, hindi. Yung sa Drone. Lumalaki na yung aking sticker collection. Okay, so enough about that. Let's move on to the actual shirt of item number 1. Here you go guys. This is the shirt for item number 1. And alam nyo naman guys kung ano yung una ko iti-test. The tela. So right off the bat, the tela feels very comfortable. Actually, ang soft nung tela niya, lalo na sa loob. Makapal, definitely makapal siya. I can feel it. Maganda yung pagkakatahe. Yes, so far the tela passes my check. Good job with the fabric. Okay, so the fabric that they used in this item is good. I give it a pass. Now let's move on to the tag. So nakalagay dito is Drone Clothing Co. Thank you for choosing us. We strive to give the best shirt experience of your life and hope you will be satisfied. Please give us some feedback, then tag us on our social media. So talagang nag-accept sila ng feedback from anyone. So props to you guys. I respect that. And if you have any concerns, just contact us in one of our social media platforms below. Drone Clothing Co. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Drone Clothing Co. flagship store. So, nandito din yung kanilang address. That is their removable tag. Meron din nakalagay dito na you guys are accepting feedback, which is a good strong point for your brand. And if you have any concerns, meron din kayong after sale support. So, good job talaga guys. And let's move on to the actual tag dun sa shirt. Ang nakalagay lang dito is established 2011, Drone Clothing Co. Tapos, nakalagay dito, premium quality made in the Philippines. And the Drone Clothing Co. tag. So this tag is your basic tag, plain and simple, straightforward. Nothing wrong about that. Yung neck tape nila is also plain. Yung neck tape nila is thick din. I really like that hindi sila nagtipid dito ng fabric. Medyo makapal siya. Nothing wrong with the other neck tapes. Siguro personal preference ko to yung mga makakapal yung neck tape. Nararamdaman ko kasi sila dito na parang nakahug sila sa leg mo. Yung ibang neck tape kasi maninipis. And it's okay. But this is my personal preference is yung makapal na neck tape. One thing that I would like to call out here, hindi naman siya big deal. It's just like a minor detail na pwede nyong i-add for pogi points. If you have like a printed neck tape, super dagdag pogi points yun, guys. Yun lang naman, hindi naman ikasisira ng drone clothing ko to. Maganda pa rin kahit plain siya. Dagdag pogi points lang for me. Okay, that's my own preference. Yung ibang tao naman, hindi naman nila gusto na may print dito. Pero I think that would definitely help in a way para madagdagan nga yung pogi points. So here is their front graphic, guys. Nakalagay dito yung Drone Clothing Co. And then meron silang graphic here that represents a thunderbolt and an eye. So this is very clean, minimalist. This is one of the reasons why I bought this shirt from them. So when it comes to the print naman na ginamit nila, mararamdaman mo talaga na sobrang quality ng print nila. And there's no breakage, there's no bleeding, and pulido yung pagkakagawa. So props to you guys, ang ganda ng front graphic. Now let's move on to the back graphic. I really like large graphics sa likod. I'm a big fan of that. And Drone Clothing Co. did a good job. Actually, yung way that they did it was really cool and really innovative. They made a large graphic pero nasa gilid. So pag naglalakad ka, naka-drape over siya sa shoulder mo. They even printed this before nila tinahi yung shirt. So look at that, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan o. Simple lang yung ginawa nila pero ang lakas ng dating. So hindi nyo kailangan mag-go overboard with multiple designs or a lot of designs. Before we move on to item number 2, tingnan muna natin kung meron pa akong maka-call out dito sa shirt nila. So let's go. So there you have it, guys. Dinouble check, triple check ko na siya. Wala na ako nakitang i-call out. Siguro, ang masasabi ko lang, if they put something printed here, dagdag pogi points. Pero yun nga, hindi nga siya ikasisira ng drone, hindi siya ikasisira nitong design na to. Sobrang excited ako isuot tong shirt na to. But before we do that, let's review item number 2. Let's go. So here you go, guys. This is item number 2. This is their special 9th year anniversary merchandise. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. This is their special box. So I'm expecting special item inside. Ito yung special box nila. Nakalagay dito, premium quality, exclusive only. Maraming salamat, Sir Miko, for sending this over. I am really touched na isa ako sa mga taong kinonsider mo na bigyan nitong package na to. Thank you very much. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. Let's go. Alright, so let's start off with their card. So, ang nakasulat dito is Drone Clothing Co. This shirt guarantees a place in history and is a certified rare breed. We hereby congratulate you for owning the Drone Clothing Co. 9th anniversary tee. 78 of 100. Maraming salamat talaga, sir. Maraming salamat for including me dun sa 100 people na binigyan nyo. Ito yung nakasulat. I am the 78th person out of 100 to own the Drone Clothing Co. 9th year anniversary tee. I really appreciate this, Sir Miko. Thank you very much. Now, I am super excited to see what the shirt looks like. So, buksan na natin. There you go, guys. Daanan lang natin to na mabilis kasi gusto ko na talaga makita yung design. So, let's see yung fabric. Fabric is very nice. The balance between comfortability and thickness is on point. So I like this. Ganda nung tela nyo. And same din dun sa neck tape. Padded din siya, makapal. And they used a different tag here. Nakalagay Drone Clothing Co. So ipakita ko sa inyo. Here you go. Drone Clothing Co. 2XL. Tapos ilabas natin yung tag sa ilalim. Ayan, nakalagay premium quality made in the Philippines. And nandun din yung washing instructions. Now let's move on to the front graphic. Super excited na ako makita to. Let's go. So here you go guys, nakalagay dito Drone Clothing Co. 9 years of existence. So yung front graphic nila sa harapan, this is another minimalist approach, another clean and good approach. I really like it. So yung print na ginamit nila, meron texture yung print actually. I feel like yung kapal ng print is on point. Walang breakage, walang bleeding. Just the font that they used for this one, I am really digging it. Good job again, Drone Clothing team. Pinapakita nyo na talaga yung 9 years of experience nyo. Pinapakitaan nyo kami kung what you can do. And this is very quality. Napakaganda. Now, let's move on to the back graphic. Again, Drone did not disappoint. Wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's look at the back graphic. Let's go. There you go guys. Look at that. Nakalagay dito, we create our own destiny. Drone Clothing Co. 9 years of existence. Tapos meron silang reaching hands na zombified. Napakaganda ng design and napakalinis. So guys, here you go. Here's the close-up. There you go. And they also have that texture over the back graphic as well. This is one of the best examples na palag-palag na talaga tayo sa mga international brands. Napakadaling mag-review ng isang brand or isang t-shirt pag maganda yung design. And this is it. Pati yung isa, ang gaganda ng mga shirt na nilalabas nyo. So kudos to you guys. I'm really excited to wear this shirt. And before we do that, tingnan muna natin kung meron pa akong pwedeng i-call out. There you go guys, I double checked, triple checked it already pero wala na ako ma-call out. Magko-call out naman ako pero may nakita ako eh. So siguro dagdag pogi points lang din katulad ng first item is kung meron kayong graphic neck tape, but I don't think that you really need it because napakaganda nitong shirt na to. Napakaganda rin ng message and this is an exclusive shirt, so poging-pogi na nitong t-shirt na to. So good job to you guys. Sobrang satisfied ako sa mga products yo. So there you go guys. If you want to take a look at Drone Clothing Co., I will put the link in the description box below. I highly suggest na tignan nyo yung mga designs nila. Panalong-panalo yung mga binabato nilang designs. Tignan nyo naman yung mga t-shirts na to dito. Sobrang gandang ipamporma at i-flex sa OOTD footage natin. I just wanted to say again, congratulations kay Sir Miko. 9 years na kayo. More years to come. Thank you again for sending that package over. Konting tao lang pala yung magkakaroon nito. Thank you again. So there you have it guys. This is the end of this video. I will leave you an OOTD footage. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell icon below so you won't miss my next videos. This is your boy Gabe, signing out. Peace.